Good morning, it's math time. I have a fun challenge for you today. You are going to get to design your own coin, okay? So, last week when we studied all the different types of coins that we have, you studied and observed the front of them, the back of them, the size, the shape, the color. So, all of those things are going to be important. You are going to design your own coin. It can be worth whatever amount of cents you want it to be worth, okay? So, think about it. Think about when you go and you spend money, have you ever wanted there to be a coin that was worth 15 cents, right? Or maybe you have a coin that's worth $2. I don't know. You get to decide. You get to design your own coin, come up with the amount that it's worth, okay? Design the front of it, the back of it. Everything about this coin is up to you, all right? So you're going to do this in your journal, or you can do it on a larger piece of paper if you want to show it that way. But think about the front of the coin, the back of the coin. There's a few questions. Let's see. And what's the value of the new coin? And how is that coin similar to the coins that we use? So you can think about how it can be similar and how it can be different than the coins that we use. And then there is also one math question for you to answer in your journal. It's linked on the bottom of the page here, but it's on the CMS Learning Packet. It's on page 9. There is one question for you to do. It says, reflect. What do you think is important to identify coins and know their value, and why do you think it's important to identify coins and know their value in pennies? All right, so that's the question that you are answering in your journal. All right, sorry, my dog has something that he's not supposed to have. So I better go. All right, guys, thanks a lot and have a great time with this task. Bye.